worked. Install was easy. We had to hire a plumber to come in and do minor sort of adjustments on some of the piping, but it was pretty easy to install. And the cutover was fine. We have increased our set point on the floor from maybe, was it 18 or 19?
18 to 22.
To 22. And what we've seen so far is we've seen at least 10% on the electrical use. And I think that will probably increase. At the same time we were putting the system in, we were having issues with our condenser. We were losing refrigerant, so we kept our compressors weren't really operating as efficiently as they could have been sort of during all of November and December. So we don't have great data on like when everything's working as it should, but we did look back on the bills and our kilowatt hours are down about 10%. We don't really have a measurement on the gas as far as the hot water goes, but I mean there has to be savings there because we're not heating hundreds of gallons of hot water every day. The ice quality's been great. We had a little issue during a tournament we had here in December that the ice got very snowy, but we talked to REALice and we adjusted the set points, and it turns out the ice was a little too cold, so we kept raising the floor a little at a time until we found sort of a good medium point, and now we really don't have much problem with that either.